Skeleton Hiccups by Cutler and Schindler. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Played with ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Hic, hic, hic. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. Drink some water upside down. Hic, hic, hic." Ghost made a face. Hic, hic, hic. Said, "Boo!" to Skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. But nothing worked. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups stayed. Hic, hic, hic. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Hic, hic, hic. Held it up. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed. "Ah!" The hiccups left. Hic, 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 hic. And they jumped away. Hic, 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 hooray! The end.
See you next time. Bye.